Hey, problem of ignoring their simple things but concentration on those things which are not valuable for us at the time of your weight loss journey. Friends, in this very video I will covering up the 5 things which we usually ignore but we concentrate on those things which has no value at the time of your fitness journey or very less value at the time of fitness journey. Health, happiness, immunity and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert and I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune and to have a great body. That's why I have created a book, Know Your Fitness, where you can find your how to start your workouts at your home and how to do dieting and how to start dieting in your life. फ्रेंड्स, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आपको डाइटिंग करनी है तो हम बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि 1100 कैलोरी का प्लान हो, 1500 का हो, उससे कम हो या कुछ ऐसा कोई सोर्स हो, कोई सप्लीमेंट हो, कोई दवाई हो जिससे हमारी बॉडी का वेट कम हो सके. बट टुडे आई लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट अ सिंपल थिंग्स. The thing is this, that our body knows its own balance. It is we who are not maintaining this. मैं आपको ऐसी 5 चीज़ें बताने जाऊंगा कि अगर आप उनको बगैर किसी वर्कआउट के और बगैर क्रैश डाइट से करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली यू विल सी सम अमेजिंग चेंजेस इन योर वेट. द नंबर 1 थिंग इज क्विट शुगर. फ्रेंड्स, जाने अनजाने के अंदर हम कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा शुगर ले रहे हैं, स्पेशली इन इंडियन टी. Another name of the sugar for me is a socially approved drug. Why it is socially approved? Because whenever you go in any kind of a society, on that time they welcome you with a tea into sugar. जब भी कभी कोई whenever there is a festival, there is marriage, we usually consume so much sugar. And the occasional sugar is no problem. I have no problem with the occasional sugar, but I have the problem with the sugar which is वी आर यूजिंग ऑन डेली बेसिस. कहीं ना कहीं पे ऐसी कितनी फीमेल्स हैं इस पूरे इंडिया के अंदर जो एक दिन में 5 बार चाय तक पीती हैं. फ्रेंड्स, यू विल बी अमेज्ड टू नो दैट वंस यू कंज्यूम द शुगर ऑन दैट टाइम योर बॉडी मेक डाउन द इम्यूनिटी फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 आवर्स. और जो लोग अगर 5 कप चाय पीते हैं तो एक दिन में 10 घंटे के लिए उनकी इम्यूनिटी कम काम कर रही है. इजंट इट इज अमेजिंग एंड पॉइंट ऑफ टेंशन ऑल्सो. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये चीज़ सोचनी चाहिए कि आप जो शुगर खा रहे हैं अगर आप उसको छोड़ दें तो उससे क्या परिणाम हो सकते हैं. सबसे पहले तो दोज फीमेल्स हु हैज़ द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एक्ने, आपके एक्ने कम हो जाएंगे. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज दिस, विदाउट डूइंग एनी क्रैश डाइट्स और जिम यू विल लूज योर वेट. तो नंबर 1 पॉइंट इज क्विट शुगर. फ्रेंड्स, द नंबर 2 point is that you need to include some kind of a protein into your diet. Usually we ignore protein. अगर मैं किसी से भी पूछूं कि आपने सुबह नाश्ते में क्या खाया था, तो जो लोग बहुत ही अनहेल्दी हैं और जिन लोगों की डाइट अच्छी नहीं होती है, जिन लोगों को डायबिटीज़ होती है या जो लोग मोटे होते हैं, they usually say to me that they have not taken any good breakfast or usually the chapatis and vegetables. Friends, I have no problem with this, but there is a protein into it. The only few sources of the vegetarian proteins are some of the supplements of the veg protein like the whey protein, pea protein, then the peanut butter, peanut powder. But the natural sources are tofu, soya chunks, dals, beans. Are you taking those things in the morning? So many people are going to say that no. So may I ask you one thing, when the last time you took the tofu? On an average basis, those people who are overweight and obese, very occasionally they take the tofu. They believe that there is only one source of protein, which is paneer, which is also not a good source of protein because it contains so much fats into it. So friends, it's all about the knowledge. So you need to include some protein into your diet, जिसको हम बहुत ज़्यादा इग्नोर करते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, जो तीसरी चीज़ है जिसको हम सबसे ज़्यादा इग्नोर करते हैं, द नेम ऑफ थर्ड थिंग इज आवर स्लीप. Friends, on an average basis, a person in India is sleeping 1 hour less than its requirement, especially if you are middle class, especially if you are working into a job or a business. Friends, अगर हम 1 घंटे की नींद अपना कम ले रहे हैं तो I just want to ask one thing, that when you usually feel fresh in a day, the answer is when you wake up in the morning. But if you are not getting a proper sleep, on that time your body is also not working properly. The most of the process of the fat reduction happens while we sleep. Most of the muscle building happens while we sleep. So that's why sleeping is the most important thing. You can ignore your gyms, dieting, but don't ignore your sleep. Sleep by 10 p.m. Wake up as soon as possible. Alright? Friends, the fourth thing which usually people don't consider is the weightlifting. Many people who want to reduce their weight, they just believe that they need to run, they need to sprint, they need to do hard workouts. But you are wrong. If you are going to lift some weights on that time, not only you are going to utilize those calories at that time of lifting your weight, but once you are going to finish your workout in night, once your body is going to repair those muscles which you have destroyed at the time of lifting weight, your body is going to utilize energy and automatically your metabolism will become fast if you have some kind of weightlifting into your life. Friends, don't ignore this thing because weightlifting is the most easiest way to lose your weight. But mostly people ignore it. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि जिम छोड़ने के बाद में उनका वेट बढ़ गया, but the answer is this: when you were into your gym, you were not doing the right dieting as per your requirement. Friends, ये सारे के सारे मिथ हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. आपका जो वेट बढ़ता है सिर्फ आपके ज़्यादा खाने की वजह से बढ़ता है और आपके हार्मोन इम्बैलेंस होने की वजह से. Friends, the fifth and the most important thing is this: that people usually don't consume vegetables and soups or छाछ before their dinner and lunch. अगर आप छाछ को अपने लंच के पहले पीते हैं और सूप्स और सैलेड्स को अपने डिनर से पहले पीते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली वट एवर काइंड ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट्स योर बॉडी हैज़, यू विल गेट अ आंसर ऑफ इट. फ्रेंड्स, आप जितना खाना खाते हैं ठीक 20 मिनट के बाद में आपको दिमाग बताता है कितने खाने की एनर्जी आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, मगर उससे पहले हम इतना ज़्यादा खाना खा चुके होते हैं कि वो एक्स्ट्रा फैट में बदलने लग जाता है. सो यू नीड टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन दैट वेरी थिंग, दैट बिफोर यू कंज्यूम योर डिनर और लंच हैव सम काइंड ऑफ अ लिक्विड, इवन अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर विल ऑल्सो वर्क. सो अगर आप सूप और वेजिटेबल्स लेते हैं, नॉट ओनली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट सम काइंड ऑफ विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स टू इट, बट यू विल ऑल्सो it will also help you to reduce your weight because fortunately or unfortunately you are going to consume less calories. Friends, these are some of the 5 things. If you are going to apply these things, then definitely you will see so many results into your life. Friends, if I'm connecting with you in any of this, then I like to invite you to book an appointment with me where we can discuss in the 15 minutes that how my plans can help you out to achieve your weight loss. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and be happy without any reason.